Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming physical connections and vehicle readiness. First, walk the rig, attach the safety chains, plug the 7-pin connector, and verify the breakaway switch charged. Next, make sure hitch tongue weight is within your F150's limit and the trailer brake gain is set low to start. Once done, get in, start the truck, and engage towing or haul mode. Then enable trailer backup, assist from the sync menu, so the system can take input from the camera and steering. Now you'll set the visual and path parameters for the assist. First, ensure the rear camera view is clear of dirt and that the trailer is roughly centered behind the hitch. Enter trailer setup in sync and input trailer dimensions so the system compensates correctly. Then use the on-screen line tool to draw the desired backing path. The hatch marker and guidelines show where the hitch will go. Once drawn, hold the left hand lightly on the wheel, use the brake and gas to control speed, and keep it under 5 miles per hour. As you execute the backup, trust the system to steer. Release the wheel and follow its path while you modulate speed with the pedals. If the trailer drifts or the path looks off, stop immediately. Make sure the trailer profile is accurate and the camera is clean, then redraw the path so the assist recalculates. If the feature won't engage, verify the trailer electrical connector, check the related fuse, and confirm sync software is up to date. Those fixes usually restore proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.